fun family.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
What'd you buy there today?
Candy.
Candies. Lots of candies, see? It doesn't look some.
Yeah, MnMs, JellyBeans. I don't know what's this, but this is from Japan.
This is marble chocolate.
Marble? Marble? It sounds like a game.
This is a big marble chocolate.
Oh my god. There are some vending machines.
Yeah, the dispenser.
Yeah, it looks like a dispenser in Minecraft.
Should we put it in there?
Yeah. And I have Bonnie and Zombie.
Yeah, you and your friends there.
Yeah, I like them. I like the Minecraft. And I move you guys. Do it. Okay. Thank you.
Which one do you want to stop?
I want
Mickey Mouse or the Toy Story?
I want the Mickey Mouse. The Toy Story. Yeah. Toy Story It's like a flying Mickey Mouse. Oh my god.
How did they open this thing?
I don't know.
You don't know.
They don't say, it's Sky! Sky's in the bottom. Please give me the box. Give me the box.
Can you open the Toy Story?
Okay. Toy Story doesn't really have any blocky style. It looks all straight up normal. Okay, let me read instructions.
You need to open the top.
Okay.
Can you open the top?
Yeah, I'm gonna... Look how cool that is. Look! I'm flying alien. You can put that mountain. Let's not try. I'm gonna try JellyBeans.
Is that an alien from the Toy Story?
Yeah. Okay.
Open?
Yeah.
Can you ask Jenny?
It's loud.
Is it in there?
Huh?
Really? Oh yeah, Mickey Mouse in there.
It smells really scary.
Oh, that's a Mickey Mouse.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna put...
JellyBeans?
Yeah.
In there?
Yeah, 5.
What about you? You put the M&M's?
Yeah.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
And JellyBeans?
Yeah. Let me grab some JellyBeans.
And there?
Yeah.
Put it in.
Oh! We need to clean. I'm gonna fly open. Ha! I'm gonna put that. Next time. Oh my god, they're killing me. Let's go to JellyBeans. It's sticking to me. It's done. I'm gonna put in M&M's. Why do you think one of M&M's? Oh, okay, there's M&M's flying. Okay, let's do the M&M's. Come on, get in there. my god, he's like, I have candies everywhere. We have JellyBeans and
JellyBeans and Mickey Mouse?
yeah, and then we have MnMs and the Toy Story.
Look at that.
See, he can dig.
Oh my goodness.
Can Mickey Mouse can dig?
You can go around?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's funny.
Right, the M&M's all over. Oh yeah, your arm just come off.
What's in there?
Oh my god.
Is it big?
Oh, one for you and one for me. Okay, I'm gonna be digging.
How big is it? Show me the normal M&M.
It's so big. It's a little bit smaller than the bigger one. I'm gonna
That's right there. You want the green M&M?
Okay, so yeah, green M&M. Okay, so the M&M is much smaller.
That's how big this is.
Yeah. So show me the pink one.
Pink one?
No, there's no pink. There's
The red.
red. So red is very round. That's round.
It's quite big, right?
Yeah, I need to do one for here. So comparing to the normal M&M and the bigger one.
That's quite big.
Yeah.
So how do we use this dispenser? You press that one? Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh my. What did you got? Elsa, can I have your JellyBeans? Okay.
Press it.
Thank you. What does this taste like?
What flavor is it?
Let me see.
What color was it? Ew, this guy said don't take it out.
Red?
That one is red. It says either cinnamon or very cherry. Try it. Cherry or cinnamon? That's a cinnamon? That's a cinnamon. Try the other one then. What about this blue one? Ew, disgusting.
It tastes a little bit like blueberry. Yeah. Got it here.
Press it. Yay! What you got there now? Orange color?
Is it orange?
There's so many orange colors. Tangerine, orange, pink grapefruit, orange soda.
Orange soda. That tastes tasty.
What is it?
It tastes like normal orange.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You want to open it?
There's lemon.
And lemon.
Okay, let me see if I can get it.
What's that one? What's the green color? Looks like a green apple or kiwi.
Kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruits are one of the biggest. What is this?
Lemon, crushed pineapple, pina colada, butter popcorn,
What's that popcorn?
lemon drop.
It tastes like normal lemon. Lemon.
Is it?
Yeah.
Open again?
Yeah. You have to find the right ones or not the tasty ones. Anyway. Oh my god. Is this lemon?
Is that lemon?
This is yellow apple, the apple in it.
Is it blueberries? No, it looks like a berry beans.
It kind of looks like berry raspberry.
You don't like it? I think you picked up the cinnamon.
Elsa doesn't like cinnamon like me.
It's not very kid-friendly taste either.
It's only mommy and daddy. The one of the normal taste is good.
What's this one?
Let me see.
Is this juicy pear or mango? Which one is it? Sour? Sour? What kind of one is it? Lemon? Lemon? This does not taste good? Oh my goodness. How many is it?
It is getting yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11,
7, 8,
9.
9. So one press you got 9.
Yeah, so let me try this out.
It tastes the same, Anna?
Yeah. MnMs taste like it's the same. So we have more of these marbles.
The one is not Dispenser?
Yeah.
It says get the perfect portion.
Okay. Perfect portion. What else is this?
I don't know. No, toasted marshmallows.
Oh my god, I'm not having that.
What? Marshmallows?
Marshmallows are too big for my mouth. Okay, we have this orange guy. Is this strawberry?
The pink one? This is either bubblegum or cotton candy.
So, I think, oh my god, the MnMs are much heavier. Okay, so we have a bunch of bad ones and a bunch of good ones. So I don't like the bad one because my throat doesn't like it.